I don't know how he's chanting. I'm just saying that my experience is when you chant the proper mantra, then you actually experience the sweetness. Madaram Madaram Mangalam Mangalam Madaram Madaram Etan Mangalam Mangalanam Shradaya Parigitam Helanam Cha Helamva. This is Skanda Puran. It's all everywhere quoted, this one. So the sweetness of Nam, just by correct pronunciation, with Guru Kripa, you have Guru Ashraya, maybe Diksha Nehoga, but if you surrender to Guru Padashraya, and take a Nam, then maybe later Diksha. Diksha very important. But if you have Guru, then there's some Ashraya. And then much Kripa coming from Guru. And aparads are dissolved by Guru Smaran and by Guru Kripa. So if you have that, then you chant proper mantra. You chant the mantra, and then you meditate on the meaning of the mantra. And the meanings are given in this book, many meanings. So they're according to your adhikar, then you choose, this mantra is good. This meaning. Gopal Guru, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Jiva Goswami Pad, and laga different ones. Very high end, very high upper mantra art is Das Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, and Vishnu Chakravarti Pad. This is from the Mandri Bhav Vichar. The Mahamantra is Radharani Vichar. All words mean Krishna. Hare is Hari. And Krishna and Ram is, all words are Purusha. Radharani is, so it's very deep meaning. That only small part is given in this book. A very secret. So not for putting a book. But it's in the Padakalpatru, very big Bengali collection of poems and songs. Padakalpatru has the full meaning of Raghunath Das and Vishnu Chakravarti Pad. And some commentaries in Hindi, Bengali, books of Anantadas Pandit, Pandit Sri Anantadas Babaji, he has the translations there. Very rustic, very high, but for general audience, I didn't put there. Only small, I put a few small samples. The whole lila is there. Mantra is a lila. Nam Rup Gun Lila Parishishta. All is there.